Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete story drafts on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first you need to open up Instagram, and once you are on Instagram, tap there on plus icon and here select story. And there you can see add there some photo or video after camera. First position is camera and second is drafts. If I tap on that, here I see two my saved drafts, and there at the bottom I can see count of days left to delete that draft. So these drafts will be there for some days and after that it will be deleted. So now I can tap on select and there select drafts that I want to delete and tap there at delete in the very bottom. Now I confirm that action and all my drafts was successfully deleted. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.